Hi guys, today I would like to show you, I would like to teach you that how to enter in BIOS or in boot menu of Sony Viyo laptop E series or F series, Sony Viyo E series or F series laptop, how to go in BIOS or boot menu. First of all, you have to click on the assist key. Here you can see assist. You have to click on the assist key. Now your monitor is gone on. It will take a little bit time to take you inside boot or BIOS menu, near about 20 seconds. So here is the language option. I don't understand any other language except English, so that's why I would like to click on enter in English. And here I would like to go to the BIOS option, enter. Now here you can select your BIOS option, boot menu, boot mode. You have to legacy, you have to select boot priority, you have to select hard disk drive or external device. When I have CD, because I want to install Windows 7 in this laptop and Windows CD is already inserted inside this laptop, so that's why I would like to select internal optical disk drive. Here you have to click the plus button from here to bring this option upward. Yes, now it's become up. Internal optical disk drive is the first priority and second is internal hard disk drive. So I would like to save it from here. Here is, you can see F10 is save and exit. I would like to press F10. Yes, now here asking yes or no. Enter yes. Taking a little bit time, it will take 20 seconds to 25 seconds. Here it is. Here is loading the file, and this will take you to the boot option of Windows 7. From there you can make your partition, you can format your drives, you can install your OS in your laptop. So here is the process. So how to insert in BIOS of Sony Viyo E series or F series laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.